Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first method, reset the network update component. So guys, first click to start and type CMD and right click to run as administrator and click to yes. So first for this command, right click to copy, and this command I will give you in description so you can copy and paste. Okay, all commands. So first this is stop and go to this and just right click and paste one by one. Okay, so no worry about it because of I try multiple, that's why it's access deny. Okay, then next this one, first old, and then hit enter. Okay, so sometimes access denied means you are not able open run as administrator. Because of this command we need administrator access, so right click to run as administrator. Okay, click to yes, and let's see, try to again and just right click. So now you can see Windows update service is stopping. So this command used to mostly stop the Windows service. Okay, last this one, click to stop and then try to both this command. Okay, so this is the first one and this is second, and after that hit enter. So this is both two command is accepted. Then again slow down, then this is again restart the Windows update the services. Okay, and then just see copy again, and you can, if you are not able to copy, so it's okay, you can type manually. It's okay. So now it is start, net star bits starting. Okay, so this is completed. Then guys, repair the component store of Windows, so click to close it and then again start and type to CMD and again right click to run as administrator. Okay, so now clean up this command, type. Okay, then hit enter. Okay, so permission required to run DSMC accelerator, so it's okay. Okay, then this one and then hit enter. Okay, then this is SFC scan now. Okay, so same, this is required administrator access, so you can close this one. Let's see, again type this. Now it is started and it is completed. Then this one, after that use this one, SFC scans. For guys, this three command, this is used for corrupted Windows file to restore. Okay, then this is completed, and this is all those style file command. Okay, so copy and type. So this is accepted, this all command. Okay, so one by one, because I am copying one at all at a time, but you can type first this one, after that this, after that this, after that this. Okay, yeah, then this is last command, and this command I will give you in description. So start, type PowerShell and right click to run as administrator. then click to yes. So this is open. Once again copy this and single right click, so it will accept, then hit enter. Okay, and then close it. Then guys, restart your system and please check it. Thank you. This command I will give in description so you can easy to find. Thank you.